Hi there, join our exclusive WhatsApp community to learn more about Cyber GRC.
Let's go, people. Let's go. It's gonna be a fun session, folks. Let's just have a blast together. Talk about what's been going on around the world, in the world of cyber in general. All right, welcome everybody again. Thank you, everybody. Thank you all for joining. Let's bring everybody else and let them know that we are live right now. Live and direct, folks. We are live and direct. Let's go, people. Mm. Thank you all for hanging out with us this evening. Thank you so much. A lot of us have a few questions here and there, and this is just the right time to answer those questions. All right, let's take it one more time, then we get into the details of it. Thank you, everybody. Thanks for joining. Always a delight to hang out with us. Thank you, everybody. If you don't mind, just type hello, hi, whatever. Just type something. Let's make sure we are all on the same page. Thank you, Abdullahi. I can see you loud and clear. Eyes on you, brother. I can see your PME. Exciting. All right. Thank you so much, everybody. Let's give everybody a round of applause. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. If you don't mind, just type your just a thank you will be excellent. Thank you all for making it. I know there are so many things you can do at an evening like this, so you decide to hang out with us. So we want to say big thank you all for participating and being part of our community. And tonight my goal is at the end of the next few minutes. First, I want to thank some of our alumni for being part of this conversation. We have three people, I believe, that will be joining us. That Abigail, love to you. Mayowa, love to you. Maureen will be joining a bit also. And these are some of our alumni that are currently working also. The most recent is as recent as I believe last week. So we are thankful to God for that. Really, it's always nice when we have some of those victory stories. It's encouraging.
Hi there, join our exclusive WhatsApp community to learn more about Cyber GRC.
Keep pushing forward. Many times, you just never know. You are just closer than you can imagine. So just keep pushing the buttons, keep pushing forward, and above all, great things always happen. So one thing I would like to just start with tonight, everybody, is to say, a lot of people have asked a lot of questions around cybersecurity, what it entails, what are the challenges in the field, what exactly is this whole deal about? Today, at the end of the next few minutes, my goal is to demystify a few things and make it something hopefully we can all be comfortable with. To make you a little bit more comfortable, let me just throw it out there, elephant in the room. This does not require coding. You don't require programming skills. You don't require to be, any of those. So it's not applicable to you at all. So don't worry about that. These are the most common questions I've seen over time. But I'll share my slide real quick so that we can just kind of get into the details tonight and just get into the meat of it. The meat of it for me, I believe, is going to be when we go into the questions and answers. I think that's why most of us are really here, a lot of questions and answers. And I'll be as transparent and truthful to us as possible just to make you understand the nuances of this field in general. And this is 7:05 on the dot. So let's get started, folks. Thank you again. This is going to be the information session for the GRC program, our flagship program within the Skillweed community. We offer so many training, but this is one of our biggest exciting area because we have the right partnership, the right people to push our team to be much more successful. Now, we are not of the illusion anything you do is automatic. No, we understand there's going to be element of hard work, element of consistency, elements of endurance, patience, and giving ourselves a chance to be successful. But one thing I know for sure is anytime we put our best in good faith in anything, most of the times good things always show up.
Hi there, join our exclusive WhatsApp community to learn more about Cyber GRC.
I'm always excited about that for sure. All right, let's jump into it really. What are the topics that we're going to cover in this program? Okay. I just wanted to address it straight up and we just, let's get it over with. Now, one thing I can guarantee most of our team here is this: our training is 5 weekends and 1 day in the week. After those 5 weeks, and if you follow our playbook, right, meaning we work together, right, meaning if I give some assignments or projects, we make sure we do it, right? I can tell you one thing: you would never be in an environment that would make you shrink or make you feel inadequate. It ain't gonna happen. It's not gonna happen. So don't even bother really. Nobody, you're not gonna be in a room, somebody is talking about a certain area in cyber and you feel, oh my God, what's going on here? I'm lost. No, no, that's not gonna happen. Because all the areas really that I know are the core areas you would cover it. And think about this again. Every day, one of our program now, we also give out cyber news daily. So that is just crazy in a good way because consistently, I can tell you over time, even when you're a novice, we take you from zero to hero most of the time because what will happen is that after a while, a lot of the terms, a lot of the conversations start making sense because you've been part of the ecosystem of conversation, ecosystem of burning the candle, of putting the work, and good things always show up when we do that. So we're going to go into asset management. Don't overthink it. Asset management is just saying, how do we manage our asset? You cannot track risk if you don't even have a list of the assets in your disposal. As simple as that. It's a no-brainer. God forbid if if a burglar comes to somebody's house, the first thing the cops will ask is what was taken. If I say, well, I don't know, I have no idea, I'm just a rich guy, I have no clue what I have so much things, then it becomes a little bit awkward because the same thing for organization, the biggest in the world, they need to have a list of their assets. So we go into asset management. We'll talk about specifically what kind of asset are we talking about. Of course, you would agree with organization asset we're talking about will be our laptop devices, the servers, the your tablets, if you use them, the desktop, any device within the organization, including the data. Those are assets we need to track. Then the second one we get into is we're going to get into incident response.
Hi there, join our exclusive WhatsApp community to learn more about Cyber GRC.
Incident response is saying if there is an incident, it's not a function of if, it is when, right? When there's an incident, how do we track those incidents and respond to make sure we survive such incident? Let me quote the CEO of Cisco, one of the biggest networking organization in the world. He said there are two types of organization: those that has been attacked and those that are not aware they have been attacked. So every one of us is going to be attacked, guaranteed, right? So that's not a big deal. The third thing we're going to get into, we talk about building cybersecurity policies and procedures. Some of the key areas we'll talk about in the program, we're going to build actual policies around them.
Hi there, join our exclusive WhatsApp community to learn more about Cyber GRC.
So you will learn how to build those policies, work together. Then we get into risk assessment. This is a huge one. Everyone on this call, at the minimum, we have to understand what it takes to assess risk within your organization. And it's a huge need. Believe it or not, many people don't take it serious, performing constant risk assessment. And quite a number of times it bites you because historically, where there are issues, then you have not done a risk assessment, then you're so vulnerable because you don't even have an idea of what are the top risks within your organization. We get into cyber threat overview. What are those types of threats out there? We talk about data governance and privacy. We all can agree that privacy is a big deal. If you are in the healthcare sector, for example, we have the EPA. If you are an European Union member state, then we have to think about GDPR, right? Some weeks ago, if you guys followed the news, if you remember, Facebook was fined about 1.3 billion euro because of privacy violation in Europe.
Hi there, join our exclusive WhatsApp community to learn more about Cyber GRC.
Right? That's a big deal. We get into disaster recovery and business continuity. We talk about it in details also and get into okay, it's not just having a disaster. What is our recovery plan? There should be a business continuity plan also. We get into threat intelligence. Threat intelligence is getting into okay, insight into understanding the threat landscape internally and externally also. For those of us that are in IT, there was a big virus that came out a few weeks, months ago, Log4j, right? So it a global thing. So it means if my organization is aware that there's a global virus out there that is impacting a lot of organizations, it's only fair to say, do I have intelligence to understand the landscape, the risk around this malware in my environment also? So those are the things we have to understand. We're going to talk about. We're going to talk about foundation of IT general controls. For those of us that are, this is what some people call IT audit, right? We get into it too. We do some projects around that. We get into identity and access management. The tools around three key areas. How do you onboard people, giving access? How do you make changes to access? Then how do we revoke or terminate access? So we talk about that too. We talk about frameworks. Frameworks are going to be some of those best practices we need to adhere to, right? We talk about some of those key framework. We're going to get into ISO 27002, NIST framework for CSF. We get into overview of some of those regulations out there also in the program. Then after that, we would also jump into third party risk, which is a big one out there. We get into third party risk. We talk about vulnerability management. Then another beautiful one I love so well for everybody on this call. This is an amazing one. Risk Rhino. Risk Rhino is a solution for GRC that we use within our program at Skillweed. They are partners, our technical partners, and it's an amazing software. The beautiful thing about it is this, and this is the way I look at it. When people ask me, is when you have a solution, and there are some popular ones out there, people will say Acha or Audit Board or whatever tool is out there, ServiceNow. The beautiful thing is, if you can use one, it's the same concept. They might have slight changes in interface, but with Risk Rhino, we are so confident that most of the other solutions out there, because I've used that chat before myself, and I can see that, oh, okay, it's not really a complex tool. And you will agree with me, nobody makes their solution complex these days. So
Hi there, join our exclusive WhatsApp community to learn more about Cyber GRC.